If you're wanting to learn how to induce sleep paralysis to fall asleep faster, induce lucid dreams or out-of-body experiences, or even just experience what it's like to be in sleep paralysis, then this video is for you. Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for joining me in another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to induce sleep paralysis the easiest way, whether you want to fall asleep quicker or experience something like an altered state of consciousness such as lucid dreaming or astral projection. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing we need to do is to relax. So what you're going to want to do is, whether you've already been in bed or you're getting in bed, you want to completely relax your body. And I don't just mean feel relaxed. You want to be relaxed on every level of your being. So you're going to want to take in some deep breaths, exhale, and really just relax as much as you can. Now we're going to talk about something that's called the rollover signal. And this is how we know that sleep paralysis is almost here. Now, as we've talked about, sleep paralysis is nothing to fear, and everybody goes through sleep paralysis, but most of the time we're unconscious of it because our mind falls asleep before our body. But we're training ourselves to keep the mind awake while the body falls asleep so we can experience sleep paralysis consciously. Some of the symptoms you'll experience in sleep paralysis are tingling, maybe some noises, some vibrations, and of course you won't be able to move your body. But this is totally normal, and it is actually an amazing gateway for awesome experiences, and it will also help you to cure insomnia once you learn how to induce sleep paralysis. So once you relax in your bed and you take some deep breaths, you're going to not want to move. You want to get comfortable to the point where you won't need to move. Now, after a while, you're going to start to feel your body get very heavy, and you're going to get urges to roll over, and that's why we call it the rollover signal, because your body is trying to check if your mind is awake by sending you signals. So you might feel itches, you might really have the urge to move or just roll over, anything like that. And what you're wanting to do is actually ignore those signals, because we want to tell our body or make our body think that we're actually asleep, so it will induce sleep paralysis. So what it's basically doing when it's sending us these signals is it's asking our mind if we are awake. So if you roll over and respond to these signals, you actually won't be able to fall asleep. So if you're wanting to get to sleep quicker or just want to experience sleep paralysis, you need to ignore these signals and hold as still as you can. Once these signals pass, then you're going to feel very relaxed and start to feel some vibrations. This is called the vibrational state, and this is a common gateway to experience an out-of-body experience or go into a lucid dream. So once you pass the test of the rollover signal, so you don't respond to anything, you don't itch, you don't move, you don't roll over, you're going to feel very relaxed, and you're going to start to feel sleep paralysis kick in. Now, if you're wanting to use this for sleep, all you have to do is completely relax in the experience and let your body fall asleep, and then your mind will eventually fall asleep as well. Just make sure not to move and to stay calm. If you want to use this for a lucid dream, just concentrate on the colors you see, which is called hypnagogic imagery, and you will be able to form your dream through the colors you're seeing. So once you see all those crazy colors, just imagine the amazing dream that you want to have, paint the whole picture for yourself, walk yourself through the scenario, what you're seeing, what you're doing, who you're with, engage in all your senses, and eventually you will just pop up in the dream because you've made the sensation so real for your brain. Our brain can actually tell if we are imagining something or it's actually experiencing something. So if you engage with your senses and really try to feel what walking down a path would feel like, or touching walls or anything like that, your brain picks up on that, and since it's in a thought responsive state in sleep paralysis, it's going to induce the lucid dream for you. If you're wanting to use this for astral projection, once you get past the sleep paralysis state and the vibrations subside, then you are going to imagine vividly rolling out of your body or walking around or doing something away from your physical body. But this time you don't want to just concentrate on the colors, you actually want to vividly try to imagine rolling out of your body or leaving your body where you're actually laying, and you're going to start to feel very light. You might feel like the bed is spinning or some sensations like that, and that's a good sign that you're on the right track. So there's 3 things that you can use for this: falling asleep quicker, which you just kind of let the sleep paralysis subside and not try to do anything, you just try to relax and you'll be able to go to sleep faster. If you want to do some lucid dream, just concentrate on the colors and think about the dream you want to have. And if you want to use this for an out-of-body experience, try to vividly engage with your senses as far as rolling out of your body or separating from your body. And this might feel very intense at first, but don't worry, it's an amazing thing. You're completely safe, and there's so many things that you can experience within this state. So I hope this video helped you. Please let me know if you have any questions. I know it was quick, but I wanted to make sure that I gave you guys the quickest and easiest way to experience sleep paralysis. And if you haven't checked out my last video about sleep paralysis, make sure to do that, because that goes into why we experience sleep paralysis, what it is, and why it is an amazing opportunity, which is kind of what we covered in here as well. So thank you so much for joining me. With love and lucidity.